It's right. Hey guys, welcome back. What's going on, subbies? And how y'all doing, newbies? And for all those who don't know what a newbie is, don't worry about it. I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second. It may even be for the third. We don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today we have a quickie, and I mean a quickie. This is sort of a follow-up to a video that I did not too long ago, maybe about 2 or 3 videos ago, where I gave y'all my latest and greatest as far as updates that I have been making. Y'all know that I'm on this whole Dolce 2.0, and so now and again, I like to show you guys what I've either added or taken away or changed as far as my whole steez, everything that's going on with me. So I wanted to revisit one of the products that I talked about, and it's regarding something in my makeup collection, something that I've added. And I have a pretty good stash, you know, from eyeshadows to lipsticks. I'm all about the lipsticks, as well as blushes and all these other accoutrements. I decided to up my game as far as my powders, finishing powders, that is. And so without any further delay and without any further ado, I'm going to jump right to what we're here for, which is the Translucent Loose Setting Powder by Laura Mercier. Like I said in my previous video, I had heard about this powder for years and years. A lot of people talk very highly about it, and I finally took the plunge. I saw it online, saw it on Sephora's website, and I grabbed it. Now, you guys know, or those who are initiated and saw my video, it was sort of a get ready with me, where I showed you my just quick makeup routine. Those who saw that, you guys know that I'm already a Laura Mercier girl. I am very into, and I use her tinted moisturizer. This is in walnut, and I absolutely love it. It's lightweight, but it gives a little bit of coverage, but not too much, because not only with my hair, but I don't like for my face to feel weighed down, or you know what I mean? Just a lot going on with it. And so with that being said, it was really an easy choice to try the Laura Mercier because I'm already a fan. And I have to tell you, this has not disappointed me one bit. I can see why the girlies love it. And I am definitely part of that love caravan when it comes to this loose powder. When finishing your face after using foundation, and when I say finish, I basically mean to set it in place and get it ready for a day's wear. You know, making sure that no oil seeps through and that your makeup ends up shifting throughout the day or whatever. You definitely want to choose a powder that will complement not only your skin tone, but also your type of skin, as well as what you're trying to achieve. So picking the right powder is definitely important to really finish and tie in your whole look. So with that being said, picking a powder can get a little tricky. Now, I have been using the Clinique prior to, and that was good. That was all fine and good. But honey, when I tell you, when I picked up this Laura Mercier, it's just a little bit better. And I think it's better because it is more finely milled, as well as some other things that it has going for it underneath its reflective cap. So let's dive in just a little bit and talk about it from the outside in. Outside meaning packaging. Now the version that I got, I think this was a little special on Sephora. This is the Guiding Star Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Puff. So not only did it come with the translucent powder that you see right here, but it also came with a puff. It's a very plush puff. So it just has the band on the front for your fingers, and you would just stick your fingers in like that, and then you would pat it on. But I don't want to ruin it, so we're just going to put it back in the package for right now. But that's what it came with. So you have your powder and your puff. And as far as the packaging, design-wise, I believe it was limited edition. And the packaging on this loose powder itself is very simple and elegant, and it's made so that the powder is the focus. You have a reflective top, sort of a gold tone reflective top with her name embossed on the side of the lid, and then you have the jar itself, which is pretty see-through, pretty translucent itself. Okay, and then when you open it up, you can see that it has a little protective cover right there, and then you can sort of sift the powder through the top with a brush or the puff and apply it. So just real quick, the powder itself not only boasts a soft matte finish, but also flawless coverage for about 16 hours of wear. So that's pretty much all day. And on top of that, it is infused with vitamin C as well as vitamin E, which supports a more even toned skin over time. This skin conditioning powder is derived from natural amino acids that melt into the skin and leave a flawless finish, as well as it blurs the lines, because we don't want nothing settling into the lines on our face. It blurs the lines and it helps reduce the look of pores. And of course, it does what it is set out to do, pun intended, which is to set your makeup by absorbing excess oil on the skin. But wait, there's more. Not only that, but it boasts that there's no flashback. So for those of us who take pictures and you use a powder, again, remember I was talking about the whole ashy effect and how stuff can look off? Well, the right powder can make all the difference. And with this particular powder, there's no flashback. So when you take a picture, it won't leave a white cast on your face. Everything should look natural and look like your skin. And like I said, a flawless finish. So there are a lot of benefits to this particular translucent powder. I think that's why it's so popular. On top of that, it comes in 3 different shades. You have the translucent, which is the lightest shade, and that's perfect for fair to medium tones. Then you have honey, and that's for about medium tones. And to finish it off, she has medium deep, which is what I have. I have the medium deep, which is for deeper tones. With those 3 shades, it covers a wide range of skin tones. So the powder itself, like I said, is very finely milled. And what I like to do is I like to take my little kabuki brush. I've had this for years. I need to up some of my brushes now that I'm thinking about it. But anyway, I digress. I take my kabuki brush and I just dab it in the top, and I just tap it to make sure all the excess powder has fallen off of the brush, and I just circulate it. I do a light little dusting on top of my face, and then I'm pretty much done. I am wearing both the moisturizer and the powder right now, and I absolutely love this. I love the finish. I really do. But yeah, I'm so glad that I upgraded as far as my powder. Like I said in the other video, I'm going to find Clinique. She's going to have to find another job. Be the understudy to Laura Mercier, because Mercier is the star, honey, of this makeup show as far as I'm concerned. Now, this particular, I believe this is the full size as well. And this is 1 ounce. I want to say it averages about $40, maybe about $45, $47, something like that. And unless you're a makeup artist and you're doing a whole lot of faces or a whole lot of days, this should last you a long time. So your cost per wear or usage is definitely going to even out, because this should last you a very long time. And you can find her products just about everywhere. We're talking Ulta, we're talking Sephora, so all the usuals, as well as on her website. So that's about it. I just wanted to come on in here really quickly. Just want to give you more of an in-depth review of the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Because like I said, I mentioned it before, but I figure we get to the nitty gritty and just show you what I'm working with as far as what I have added to my collection, my makeup collection, that is. And like I said before, we're going to get more into makeup because I like makeup, and a lot of people like makeup, so we're going to talk about makeup. So y'all just hold on. Y'all just hold on, because we're about to go some places as far as different things that we're going to talk about. So I think we covered just about everything. I think I've said all that I needed to say. Laura Mercier, the translucent setting powder, she's here to stay. I'm sorry. I just can't stop with the rhyming. So with that being said, I think we're just about done. What do you think? I think we are. So we're just going to mosey up out of here. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff, honey. I need y'all to come on back in here because we got some more stuff to talk about. So you got to come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. Ooh! So you come on back. All right.